So today I'm going to be installing this emblem, the G37 emblem. I'm going to try to figure out how to make it work with this grill, because it's I know I'm going to have to cut it, and I know it's not going to sit flush, but I'm going to try to make something work to where it's not sticking out like this, and I'll make something work. But for now, I'm going to be removing these right here and these 10mm. Okay, so right now I have the bumper off just because I'm doing some other extra stuff. You don't really need to take the bumper off, but one thing I'm just testing is where I'm gonna wire up the LED emblem. I went ahead and grounded it right here. This is just temporary. I'm gonna move everything. This is my ground, and your red wire will be going into this pink wire right here. This is your connector for the headlights. I just have it off because I'm checking some other stuff. But right here is the bottom left. Let me zoom in. You see the pink wire? It's the only pink wire. Only pink wire right there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you in the bottom. I think there's like a light orange yellowish, but it should be the bottom left wire for the headlight connector. And this is just temporary, like I said. I'm just testing it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and just show you it works. I went ahead and turn the headlights on. The emblem is working, so that means the emblem will get cut on when the headlights get cut on. And look, if I pull it out, it's not working. So let me cut the headlights off. So like I said, the bottom left, the very bottom left, because right above that you won't have anything right there. So it's gonna be this red wire. I'm just gonna splice into it. Okay, so I got the emblem in the grill now. I didn't want to mess up, so I cut a couple templates, and you see I got it almost perfect. Actually, I'd say it's pretty perfect. Maybe just a little gap here, but no, it's not even noticeable. But so I ran everything through the bottom of the, I don't even know what you call this, to be honest. Can't think of the name right now. But I think I'm just gonna leave the ground right here. And then for the red power wire, I ran it through, I don't know if you can see it right there. Pretty much I ran it through right there, and I went ahead and spliced it into the red wire right here. I just gotta put some electrical tape and put everything back together, and then just connect the headlight. But everything's good now. I went ahead and tested it. I think it's on right now, but you can't really tell because the sun is hitting it. But everything is good now. I'm gonna go ahead and put the headlight back on and finish it up, and then we're done with it.